everybody, I'm Keisha Gallegos and I'm a Master Certified Life Coach, and I created a visionary business plan, also known as Get Your Business Shit Together, in 2015. No matter where you are, we can get this dreaded business plan done, and it's gonna be fun, so don't worry, it's not gonna be boring. We'll weed through 2014 and see what worked and what didn't in your business. A retrospective, if you will, and it doesn't have to be boring. Not if I have anything to say about it. Nope, it's gonna be fun. And we will be whispering mojo, your mojo. So there's 3 ways to plan. You pick which one works best for you. The first option is here in San Ramon, my house in the Bay Area. If you wanna come to my house on December 11th, it's a Thursday night, 6:30. We're gonna have pizza party, we're gonna have wine, we're gonna hang out, we're gonna do the business plan all together. You can ask questions, it'll be a cool group environment, and we'll just get it over with, and it's gonna be fun. So $30, I'll invoice you, and you'll have the plan to take home with you. Second option is if you want to get on a conference call with me. 10 a.m. on December 18th, that's Pacific time. It'll be a 90-minute call. It's $17, and we will go through the whole plan. You can ask questions on the phone as well. I'll send you the plan via email, and then I'll send you a recording when we're done. Third option is you just get the recording and the plan, and you take care of it when you have time. So come on with me, let's get this done, let's get it all handled and rock your business in 2015. Bye.